Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to fix the class not request in register, in the Windows 10 or any Windows. The step is very easy. You go to the shares field and type component services, click on it. After that you have component service, click on it, double click on it, and double click in computer, double click in my computer. You will click in DCOM config, click on it and wait for a second, you see. And after that you go to shares field and type CMD and right click, run as administrator, and click yes. Just move that, and you need to paste that the code, following code, and click enter. I'll put that in the description below. You see, we have successfully located that. The last step is go to Windows icon and go to setting. From setting you go to apps, go to default apps and scroll down and reset the Microsoft recommend default. You will reset here, and you can change the browser. Let's change to Microsoft. Check out. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.